Kalyani, you are muted.
Uh, can you hear me now? Yeah. Supriya, can you please increase the size? Uh, Good morning, good afternoon, sir. So we have done a competitive analysis. So our competitor in business side is Pavoi Green Organic Limited. So what will be our USP? Pavoi Green Organic Limited do not have a restaurant, nor they have a mobile stores. So this can be our USP. So brief analysis of our competitor gives an idea of the following. The strength is that our competitor's strength is that they have an expertise in their field of around 19 years. So they basically do animal farming, seed production and operate a nursery and export their products to nearby towns. Their weakness is that they do not have a mobile or stationary stores and as well as an established delivery system. Our opportunity will be that we'll be having a restaurant which will be provide, which will, and we will provide a very fair price. The threats will be that preference of new generation and public and general public who does not realize the importance of good quality consumables will be our threat. The next slide, Supriya. Yes, sir. Mhm. Yes, yes,
Yes, sir. Okay.
yes, sir. Hmm.
So we have made a budget of 10 lakhs in the initial investment. Sir, actually this is a very small locality, so sir, that would not take much of our resources, I think, to deliver the products. And also the people can come by themselves to the farm and get the products collected from the farm itself. So initially we have made a plan of taking the plot on lease. So because we are taking it on lease, so I think the expenses are. So we have considered 2 lakhs rupees as an annual charge for leasing the plot. So we have considered 3 to 4 acres of land on taking on lease for this purpose. So this is a small town area, but the location of the farm will be on the outskirts. So it won't be so expensive, and we'll be needing a big plot of land. So that's why we have chosen outskirts to do the farming.
So Yes, sir. So coming to the management and operations, first when deciding the prices, we will analyze the products which will be sold or preferred by the customers the greatest number of times. Secondly, the proper branding of the product is very essential. The aim is to convince the customer that our products are valuable. The third point is that given that we are dealing with organic products, the massive importance will be given on protecting its quality, and this can ensure regular maintenance and ensure viable physical assets. The next slide, Supreet. So now coming to the organization structure, the ownership of the company will be of the founders and the general manager, the general managers. The management team will primarily composed of three departments. The first one is the marketing department, the development